Hi, this is John from API Software. I'd just like to quickly take you through how to use Target 400 to automatically convert a System36 RPG2 program to RPG ILE in less than a minute on the IBM I. So what I've done is I've set up a 36 application library for the purposes of this demo, and what we'll do is just go into it, and I'll pull up the 36 function, and then I'll convert the code and take you back to the same function once it's converted to ILE, and show you that it works precisely the same as it did before. So the library I've set up is one called SMAX36, and the main 36 menu that controls the functions is, if I just do a start 36 procedure, it's called MAIN, main, and I will take you through converting these functions. The first one I want to demo for you is an online function, which is the main function for this particular application. It's called customers and prospects. So what this is a 36 program. It's currently RPG2, and I'll just show you what it kind of looks like. And there it is. So that's an RPG program running in the 36 environment. Then the other one we'll convert is, we will choose one from the setup options menu, likewise purely an RPG2 program, and we've got a maintenance program for phone codes, and there we have it. And once again, it's entirely a 36 application, and the two RPG programs that actually run those functions, the names of those are a program called SMP080. So if we just do a work object, you'll see that it's a 36 program. Would help if I got the name right. Work object SMP080. So there you can see the object's called SMP080. It's a RPG36 program, and that's the function you've just seen invoked. The other one we'll do is, as I mentioned, the phone code maintenance program, which is SMP030. So those are the two we'll choose for the purposes of this demonstration, and you'll see just how easy it is to convert them. So now we know what we're doing. We'll go into Target 400, strnmc, and we will convert the RPG code. So we'll take option 3, and the source members for RPG2 source code is typically in the source file qs36src, and that's, as you've seen in the library, SMAX36. We'll convert it to qrpg LE source in the same library, and we'll put the compiled libraries back into the original library for the purpose of this this test, and you'll see that the function just looks the same and works the same once it's converted. So press enter on that, and these particular programs have got a source subtype of RPT36 because they heavily use copy members. So we'll choose RPT36, and what we will do is, first we will convert the SMP080 program. So just select one, press enter, and it will run the conversion on that. It should be entirely automatic, and then we'll invoke those same procedures, and you'll see what you've done is in effect got away from the obsolete RPG2 compiler. You've got ILE code, and it will have all the advantages of ILE code. And while we're waiting for that, it runs it in batch. We may as well pick off SMP 030 and do that too. So all that takes is, once again, choose that, press enter, sticks it in batch. This will be a pretty fast process depending on the system you've got, but for these two programs typically it should come back within less than a minute to have converted both of them. So we'll wait for the beep and the message that the conversion is complete, and then we'll have a brief look at the spool file entries to show you the result. Then we'll go back into the same functions and show you that code, RPG ILE code, in operation. It really is very simple to move away from the RPG2 compiler. And that's even if you don't do anything else, which is such as converting OCL to CL, generating DDS and all that good stuff. And there's the first one of them finished. So if we just check the message, and that's completed successfully, and that's quite a large program. Was what they call a MRT program, a multiple request to terminal program in the 36 environment. And we'll wait for the second one. And there we have it. So we'll just display that message, and that one's finished as well. We'll have a quick look at the spool file. Oops. So we have 187 pages. That is a fairly large program for SMP 80. So that has compiled okay. Back into the library SMAX36. As you can see, it's compiled it, converted it, and compiled it as an RPG ILE program. So that's the first one, and we'll have a quick look at the second one, SMP 030. Likewise, the compilation is for an IBM ILE RPG program, and it likewise has created that object in SMAX36 library. So we've got the converted objects, and we'll just do an F3 out of target 400 to test them. So if we do a work object as before, and we look for those programs that were in the library SMAX36, I can't type today, SMAX36, and there were SMP. If we just pull up the generic list for those, you can see now both SMP30 and SMP080 are RPG ILE programs. So you will get all the benefits of ILE. You can use all the clever stuff, have more enhanced bugging, and you've basically saved them from those particular programs from obsolescence. So we'll do an F3 on that, and then if we F3 out of here, and what we'll do now, those two programs and menu options are converted to ILE, is test them. So to do that, let's do a str-s36prc and pull up the main menu, and there it is. And the first one we converted was the first selection on this menu. That was the program SMP080, and there it is. And the only difference now is this is basically running an ILE program, not a 36 RPG2 program. So let's exit out of this. And test the other option we did as well, which was on the setup options menu. So I will select that for you. And it was the second option down, phone codes. So let's choose that. And that's converted for you as well. So let's just pull that one up again. And that's it. You basically moved your RPG2 programs to ILE automatically in less than a minute, and it can be as easy as that. Thanks for watching.